Hi everyone, and welcome to Titan Tech. Today we've got a great lineup of tools that make firewood splitting a breeze. Let's dive right in and see them in action. The Moson, a chainsaw trombone hybrid, is totally useless for wood or music, but perfect for causing chaos. Imagine a noisy outdoor disaster symphony, Guinness-worthy for most pointless but fun invention. Homemade firewood processing machines are like planting your own forest. You're in control of how everything grows and works. For a forester like me, these machines combine efficiency and creativity. They transform heavy labor into a precise, almost artistic process. And when you build it yourself, it's like crafting the perfect tool for the job. The homemade trommel saw with conveyor feels like a finely tuned orchestra of engineering and efficiency. Every log rolls through its path like a note in a melody, seamlessly turning raw material into firewood. For a forestry professional, it's inspiring to see how creativity meets practicality here. You can tell he's a rookie because an experienced operator would know that you do not have to time it. Whoa, splitting a 46-inch log with a homemade wheel horse log splitter is like taming a beast with a trusty sidekick. As someone new to this, it's both intimidating and inspiring. The wheelhorse engine turns what feels like an impossible task into something totally doable. Whether you're preparing for the winter or just looking to simplify your wood cutting process, this saw is a fantastic addition to your toolkit. These homemade machines show that innovation doesn't have to come from a factory. It's all about imagination and elbow grease, and that's what makes them so special. Cutting firewood with a circular saw may seem like a simple task, but it's far from it. It's like slicing through nature's toughest armor with a sharp blade. Watching Petrovich cut wood with such precision and ease is a reminder of how essential skilled craftsmanship is in forestry work. The circular saw is a tool of efficiency. Its roar and steady rhythm turning raw, unyielding logs into neat, usable pieces. A homemade log splitter can be a game changer in your firewood preparation process. It's like having a reliable partner that takes the heavy lifting out of the equation. With the right design, a homemade splitter can tackle even the toughest logs efficiently and safely. An electric flywheel wood splitter rebuilt to original specs? That's like giving a classic car a new engine and watching it purr back to life. There's something about the way that flywheel hums, making short work of logs. That's just satisfying to watch.
You gonna do it again?
Making a guillotine-style log splitter yourself? That's like turning a classic tool into a supercharged weapon. The way it effortlessly splits logs with a single drop of the blade is mesmerizing.
That's how it's done.
Who says firewood processing has to be boring? A homemade machine turns the mundane into something magical. It's like turning a raw diamond into a shining gem. There's something deeply satisfying about the transformation. When it comes to firewood processing, having the right equipment is like choosing the right axe for the job. It makes all the difference. Homemade firewood processing machines like the one for sale here are not just about cutting logs. They're about crafting efficiency and power from the ground up. The stockboard can withstand heavy tractor loads, and the elevator can reach up to 6 meters. Talk about a real workhorse. The Vaughan Model L drag saw, produced in the 1930s to 1940s, is a fascinating piece of logging history. With a 3.5 horsepower, 2-cycle engine and a 7-foot blade, it was designed for heavy-duty work in the forest. The Style 090 bow saw is a classic tool in the world of forestry, revered for its robust design and powerful performance. Introduced in the 1960s, this iconic chainsaw is equipped with a large engine, typically around 8 horsepower, and was known for its ability to tackle heavy-duty logging tasks. After years of working with all kinds of log splitters, I've learned that the best machines are the ones that work with you, not against you. The log lift and adjustable wedge on this homemade model show a level of thoughtfulness that commercial splitters often lack. The Honda GX 390 engine ensures that you're not waiting around for power, and the 25-gallon hydraulic tank is a game changer for continuous operation. Wood splitting is a key aspect of bioenergy production, particularly when it comes to processing wood logs for use in heating or energy generation. By splitting logs efficiently, you can ensure that they burn more evenly and efficiently, making them a more effective source of heat or power. Dual saw specifically designed for processing firewood efficiently. This tool is often used in wood processing facilities or by individuals with a high demand for splitting and cutting wood. The dual saw setup is advantageous because it can cut through logs more quickly than a single saw, doubling productivity. A branch shredder that produces long chips is an interesting tool in the wood processing industry. These types of machines are designed to turn branches and limbs into shredded material, which can be used for various applications, from mulching to biomass fuel. A mechanical axe splitter with a spring mechanism is an excellent solution for those who frequently work with wood and want to minimize the strain on their back and body overall. This tool significantly simplifies the chopping process as the spring mechanism helps reduce physical load on the user, distributing the force evenly. Repairs and upgrades such as painting, replacing bushings, and the pin can extend the lifespan of the tool and improve its operational performance. The Basi oval kabaksoima apparati, or Basi curved log debarker attachment, is an essential tool for anyone involved in processing wood logs. Designed to remove bark efficiently from logs, this attachment helps streamline the debarking process by ensuring smooth, even results. The curved shape of the tool allows it to follow the natural contours of the log, ensuring that bark is peeled off uniformly without damaging the wood underneath. This machine is truly a marvel in the field of wood processing. It's designed to rob the shell off logs in a way that's as gentle as a rainstorm on a riverbank, removing the bark without damaging the inner wood. The stripping system it uses is a patented innovation that sets it apart from anything else on the market. Who knew a sawhorse could cause so much debate? The Makita Smart Sawhorse seems pretty nifty for its price, but I'll admit the idea of the top arm bending gives me a little pause. Still, if I'm just working with medium-sized logs, I imagine it should hold up fine. Just gotta be careful. Let's face it though, it's not every day you get excited about a sawhorse. If you were impressed, make sure to like and subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for watching. Until next time on Titan Tech.